Hi, I'm Joe Agliato from Electro Tri-State, and I'm proud to introduce one of the favorite units that we sell from Smokaroma called the Instant Burger. This little guy cooks 2 burgers in 30 seconds with no heat, no gas, no microwaves, no Ansel system needed. Just an outlet to plug it in and away you go. So we'll do a little prep work before we start cooking with this little guy. We're gonna make 1/4 ounce patties here with fresh chopped meat or fresh ground chuck. 80-20 works best. We're gonna cut up some nice tomatoes and some pickles, maybe some lettuce, onions, any type of condiments that you'd like, ketchup, mustard, etc. The best part about this unit is it takes longer to prep the bun than it does to make the burger. So the way this unit works, very simple. I'm gonna take my 2 patties, I'm gonna open up the unit and put them on the plate, close the unit, hit the start button, and sit there and wait. So 30 seconds later, the buzzer goes off. I'm gonna open up the unit, take my patties off, bring them right over to my bun, dress it up, and serve it to the customer. So again, the best part about this unit, it's space saving. All it needs is a 30 amp dedicated line, and you're in the burger business. 2 burgers, 30 seconds, quick, juicy, consistent every time. You can't overcook it or undercook it, but you'll make a great patty again and again.